All right, good afternoon and good blessings, everybody. I hope you're having a beautiful day just like I am. My name is Josh, and today I'm going to be opening up the super rare graphic changing tech deck. So let's jump right into it. I am really excited to open up this fingerboard. I think this is one of the coolest things that tech deck has ever done. I think I'm ready. Let's rip this open. Wow. That's so sick. I think this is really, really cool. The fingerboard, like right out of the box, feels a little bit different than a normal tech deck. So the first thing I notice is that it's very flat. It doesn't have like any concave whatsoever, but that's not going to stop me from getting a session on this thing. So let's jump right into that. All right, so what do I think of this crazy graphic changing fingerboard? Honestly, I kind of love it. It doesn't function as well as a normal tech deck, only because I think the concave is a little flat. That being said, the graphic is super, super cool, and otherwise, I love it. I think it's a lot of fun to mess around with, and the graphic just can't be beat, let's be honest. So if you see one of these in the store, definitely pick one up because you'll be the envy of all your fingerboarding homies with this super dope graphic changing fingerboard. So yeah, and I think that's where we're going to leave it. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out as a YouTuber, and I think that's about it. So good blessings, you all. Peace.